we will discuss factors affecting crystal field splitting, nature of ligands, charge on metal ion, position of metal ion in the periodic table, and geometry of complexes. These are the factors affecting crystal field splitting. Nature of ligands. The ligands are strong field ligands and weak field ligands. In spectrochemical series, the ligands are arranged according to their increasing strength. The ligands on left hand side are weak field ligands, while the ligands on right side are strong field ligands. As we go from left to right, the strength of ligand go on increasing. Thus, the ligands on left hand side are weak field ligands and the ligands on right hand side are strong field ligands. Consider example of cobalt plus 3 complexes with various ligands. In strong field ligand complexes, crystal field splitting takes place to more extent, while in weak field ligands, crystal field splitting takes place to less extent. Thus, in strong field ligand complexes, delta is larger, while in weak field ligand complexes, delta is smaller. In cobalt plus 3 complexes with various ligands, delta O value increases with the strength of the ligands. H2O is weak field ligand, NH3, then En and Cn minus is strong field ligand. So as we go from H2O to NH3 to En to Cn minus, as strength of ligand increases, delta O value increases. So for H2O, delta O is smaller. For as we go to NH3, En, delta value increases, and for Cn minus ligand, delta O value is larger. Thus, for strong field ligand complexes, crystal field splitting is more, so delta O is larger, while in weak field ligand complexes, delta O is smaller. Thus, crystal field splitting depends upon nature of ligands. Next factor, charge on metal ion. Crystal field splitting depends upon charge on metal ion. Magnitude of delta O increases with increase in charge on metal ion. Delta O for M plus 3 complexes is nearly double the value of M plus 2 complexes. Cobalt complexes with CO plus 2 ion has less delta value, while cobalt complexes with CO plus 3 ion have larger delta value. In case of cobalt plus 2 complex, delta value is very less, while in case of cobalt plus 3 complex, delta value is very high, nearly more than double. Thus, the crystal field splitting depends upon charge on metal ion. Then, position of metal ion in the periodic table. Delta O value increases on descending a group of transition elements. In cobalt group, As we go down the group from cobalt to rhodium to iridium, delta O value go on increasing. If we consider the complexes of cobalt, rhodium and iridium with same ligand, the delta O go on increasing on descending group. Cobalt is 3D series element, rhodium is 4D series element, while iridium is 5D series element. As we go down the group, see the value of delta O increases. Then geometry of complexes. Crystal field splitting depends upon the geometry of complexes. Crystal field splitting in octahedral complexes is more than tetrahedral complexes for the same metal ion and same ligands. If we consider the example of same metal ion and same ligand complexes, crystal field splitting in octahedral complexes is more than tetrahedral complexes. This delta T value is equal to 4 by 9 delta O. Thus, crystal field splitting in octahedral complexes is more than tetrahedral complexes for the same metal ion and same ligands. The delta T value is equal to 4 by 9 delta O. This is because crystal field effect of 6 ligands in octahedral complexes is more than crystal field effect of 4 ligands in tetrahedral complexes. In octahedral complexes, the ligands are approaching directly towards the metal ion. In octahedral complex, the ligands are approaching directly towards metal d orbitals. In case of square planar complexes, splitting is more than tetrahedral complexes. In coordination number 4 complexes, in case of square planar complexes, splitting is more than tetrahedral complexes. This is because in square planar complex, ligands are approaching directly towards metal orbitals. So, in geometry of complexes, square planar complexes, splitting is more than tetrahedral complexes.